experience. Look at this. A buffet at the end of Mount Crumpet. Breakfast included. What are you smiling about? It's breakfast. It's horrible. Horrible here. This is stupid. Looks like something who's like. Lobsters on Mount Crumpet? I should have done that. What a perfect idea to make those who's horribly mangled. Stupid. 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 That's hot. You look like a fool. Take that off right now.
You brought a friend with you?
Yes, a little green Grinchy friend.
He's green like
We're matching.
Yeah.
I love it. I need to get me an outfit like this. Where can I find one? Can you make me one?
Yes, I could. I can make one for you.
Really? I want to look exactly like this.
The fur and everything.
How does he act? What do I have to do?
He's really grumpy and mean. He's kind of
Like Captain Hook?
Yeah.
I knew it. Okay, I can do that. Like this. How was that?
That's pretty good. Oh, wait. You need the hook.
Oh.
There you go. Perfect.
Oh, I would kind of look like a crocodile, wouldn't I?
Yeah. You can steer him. You could dress up like this and then chase him around.
That's
like a
a wonderful
crocodile.
idea.
Port of San Fran, so cute. More like Port of San Fran, stupido. I don't need to buy anything from this knick-knack store. I can get them from the dump. Idiot. Stupid. You're not so bad. Look at all the rats. It's like we're in the dump.
Hey, do you think I should buy these ears?
Why would you buy those ears? You just go to the dump if you want to look like a rat. Yellow snow. That's the best snow. I quite enjoy giving some whoos a bit of yellow snow. Keep up here, beautiful. Grow up.
Hi, Woody. My little green friend recognizes you. Yeah, he goes to the dump often. And I guess, in your third movie, you guys were at the dump. He recognizes you. He was there that day looking for a snack. Can you take a picture with you? Oh, I love it. Thanks, Woody. Perfect. Oh, yes, I want to picture. Bye. Oh, we're both green, right? Matching. I'm a Grinch, too. Oh, am I a Grinch, too? No, I like Christmas. I'll help him get more Christmas spirit. Oh, you're going to make sure. Sure. Keep the Christmas spirit, Sheriff. Bye, Sheriff. Bye.
Oh, great.
Play the game score. 7 potatoes, 8 potatoes, 9 potatoes, 10. Try your luck, you hockey butt. Play the game again. Step right up.
Angry dog. This is my kind of guy. Bing bong, sweet stuff. Garbage. No, that's the good stuff. Seriously, what kind of animal are you? Pick an animal. Except his lair looks like the dump. I approve.
Hey, would you look at that?
Gunny's annoying. Go away, Hoofalump. Now that is Grinch approved. Coward. Hey, bug boy, what's the big idea? Maybe you should use those web slinging of yours to bring down Fat Boy's sleigh. Mind your speed? No thanks. As you go. Go where? Sam's old. Good at me, so die show. Look at these stupid whoos lining up to eat gasoline. What's gotten into them? They've gone crazy this Christmas. These whoos are dipsticks. I couldn't have said it any better myself. Look at the snowflake is made of wrenches. Well, that will be the first thing I steal, and maybe as a weapon to throw at the fat man. Look at this. It's a leaning tower of garbage, and the whoos think that this is an acceptable Christmas tree. They're lining up to take pictures with it. Blasted whoos. Look at this tree. That's a Mount Crumpet special. Little bit garbage. They're perfectly reasonable items. It's thrown away. Wasteful. This is the stupidest thing in the world. Giant traffic cones. I eat these all the time in the dump. Who are these people? They're not quite whoos, but equally as annoying. Wow! I have to take pictures of a rusty car. It says Rusty's on it.
Yep.
Why would you do that? But again, who understands anything that these people do? Medicated bumper ointment. That sounds delicious.
on.
If I steal this car, it might make it easier to steal Christmas.
Give him a high-octane smile.
But then I think again, he'd talk too much.
Of course.
I rest my case.
Oh, yeah.
Now this is more like it. The kind of Christmas tree you find in the dump. So stupid. What is it? You can't even sing. Stop singing. Stop singing about Christmas if you can't sing. Is there anywhere I can escape this hideous noise? It's non-stop. It's relentless. It's destroying my ears. What is that noise? Is that a hope election? Oh dear God, not a hope election. Well, look, fat has made an appearance. I hope he falls out of his sleigh. Goodbye, Rouge. I hope you crash and burn.
It's the Grinch. I'm gonna wave at you. Here we go. Little tiny high five. He's got a mean face. He's really upset about the holidays, so I thought I'd bring him here to be happy at the happiest place on earth. It's working. Can I take a picture of you with him, Mickey? You're so cute, Mickey. Thank you, Mickey. Now you made him like Christmas. Thank you, Mickey. Bye.